So here we are, Tuesday, October 29th. We're back at it. So 3 of them have returned today. Grandma, she's always here. The heavier set guy and the regular funny guy. So so the plan where they were building the ramp is to start right, where's my finger, right here, in front of the shadow. So the ramp going up would be very vertical, and it'd be sloped and very vertical. But the plans show the slope starting from on this side of the doors here, which is where he is right now. So we gained about maybe almost 2 meters of slope. So it's going to be a nice gradual slope going up, which is what the plans showed. So that's good. Otherwise it would have been just, one of those things, my Penrye. So the other thing that unfortunately we didn't catch in time, I think I've already videoed it, is the cement on the side of the house, the way it joggles around like this. So this is supposed to be the nice smooth walkway for the scooter, a ride up scooter and into the giant door. So they're going to add it out to here now as well. Make that bigger and also fill in that corner down there, so we've got more of a into the old garage. So yeah, so they've got their wire ready. They're building up their cement. It's not really rebar, but it's the chicken wire stuff. Hey, what happened to all our rebar? We had tons of it before. Maybe they buried it. Anyways, Noon's not here, the boss, so I'm surprised that they're actually working, unless somebody told them I was coming. But yeah, it's all good. Beautiful day. I'll give you a full walkthrough later in the week. So this is from just behind the scooter door. So this is where they're gonna repair the cement here. This little cutout notch. So they're gonna have it so it's a little bit wider here, so they can come around this corner on the scoot. And up on the back patio here, that's where they're putting in the big hot water, or no, the water tank. So now they're going to go with 1 water tank, 2,000 liters, is my understanding. Things are always changing. So the concern, I guess, before, which wasn't mine, I thought we needed 2 to keep them small, but the big one, the 2,000 liter, isn't that big. It was the weight. So apparently he reinforced the concrete and put in rebar, which is possible, but then I don't know, haven't seen any rebar around here. But maybe they use the chicken wire. We'll see. Anyways, we don't have to worry about the tank ending up in the basement because we don't have one. And so yeah, that's going to be the water from the city supply, non-pressurized. I believe they're telling me that actually now joins into the bottom of the tank, and then the tank has the internal fill up. This is then the pump is going to go in here somewhere. That's going to be the feed to the house, which is not what I was told. I was told 1 inch minimum, 20 mil minimum, 25 mil. So between 1 inch and 1.25 inches. So maybe they measure the OD and not the ID. If it's OD, it's probably 1 inch. I thought, anyways, doesn't matter what I thought. That's not applicable in this country. All right. And then I mentioned before, these get cut off at ground level and they put like a breather cap on them or something. Brass cap. Yeah. So these are supposed to all slope away from the fence and to create a ditch down this way. These are all supposed to slope away from the house. So the first time it rains that we're here, we'll be able to pick up on that. Oh yeah, this one tile was all the problem also, this one. But every tile in the house this one. All of them are solid. Every one solid. This one. So that's gonna have to come out because we need something behind it, because that's where the washing machine sits. That's probably gonna be the front leg of the washing machine. If not, it's gonna be the heavy standing area. So that's not good. But all this cement was poured yesterday, so it turned out well. There'll be a little bit of greenery or whatever on the side here. And then back here. Eventually this cap gets capped off at the ground level. They put a brass plate on it. That's just the breather for the septic system. This is the lid of the septic. So this is all well done. Everything here is good. These are for the drain tiles. This will be corrected as well. This is the air for air behind water. Comes up this way. There's a step up here. This is going to be more greenery in here. Back towards the front. So now this greenery, plants and things are going to come out right to the fence. So then we're going to have all grass in this area. So it gives Yumi some place to dig and stuff like that. The plans actually called for this cement here to be out 80 or 90 centimeters. But we decided that there's no point in having it. We'll just push it back. So it's at, we say 15, but the guy built it at 20 centimeters. That's good. So that'll maximize the lawn here. And then up here, it's all good. This is where the ramp is going to come down in this area here to about halfway here in this area. Originally, the plans also called for steps in this front area here, but we've decided to not go with them because the gate for the car and access is going to be in this corner here. So we want people to sort of come this way and come into the house. This is the main door, is going to be right in here. So the ramp and everything will access that, facilitate it. Then we were also thinking of maybe putting a step here on the corner, coming out like this and like this, kind of having it round. But at the same time, we're probably better off putting a couple of shrubs here or something so that it's just softens the front of the house a bit. This bird here just came in with his nest building materials. Oh, he went out the front window. Quickly re-engineering the front roll-up. Perfect. Added about 1.5 meters to it, which is going to greatly reduce the slope. So it's going to come in real nice. Just grabbing more chicken wire from wherever. So this is one of the fills they've done here. You still notice it's about 3 inches lower than that level. So I guess they still plan on putting like that other concrete on top and then putting tile down. Maybe we're going to have this tiled. I'm not sure if it's just plain concrete or if it's going to be tiled. But whatever it is, it looks good now. Nice and squared off. Except for these dog prints here. But yeah, maybe they'll put tiles on top. The reason that one is missing there and also on the other door is because when this door slides down, here they have the big latch that joins there. Normally what I'm used to at home is they have the latch that goes on each side, but here it's just there and it's a big ring thing. So yeah, that's looking good. Over here is the same. Now let's just pop over there and check out the ramp. Oh, the ramp is looking very good. Looking very good. I can't even describe what I witnessed, but this giant thing came flying across where we were eating at this outdoor table, landed on the guy next to us. Jen jumped up, claimed it, because she was first online, and then everybody at the table sniffed it, if it's good or bad, and then they eat it.
Hey YouTube, it's Polar Attack. My vlog will feature travel and adventure touring. Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Hey YouTube, it's Polar Attack. My vlog will feature travel and adventure touring. Come along for the ride. What's stopping you? Come on, let's do this.